Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. The relationship between Remora and shark can be best described as. The shark and Remora relationship benefits both species. Okay? Alright, take note of that. So the Remoras usually eat up scraps of prey that is dropped by the shark, and they also feed off parasites on the shark skin. Okay, and also in its mouth. Okay, good. So now let's go to the options given. Option A, parasitism. Parasitism is when one organism, that is the parasite, gains while the other organism, which is the host, suffers. Okay, so this does not describe the relationship between Remora and the shark. So this answer option is incorrect. Option B, Commensalism. Commensalism is also more or less like parasitism, where one organism is harmed and the other is unaffected. Okay, so this is not the type of relationship that exists between Remora and shark. So this answer option is also incorrect. So now let's look at the option C, mutualism. In mutualistic interactions, both species benefit from the interaction. Okay, but this is not exactly what we are looking at between Remora and the shark. So this also is incorrect, but it's close to it. You're going to see that now. So option D, Commensalism. This is a relationship between two species, okay, in which one species obtains food or other benefit from the other without harming the other species. Okay, so this is exactly the type of relationship that exists between Remora and the shark. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.